King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make this beautiful lip gloss, then keep on watching. So I have two separate bowls with about 4 ounces of Get Suckered gloss base in them, and I'm going to start by adding a few tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 to be exact. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons to start out with into 2 of the bowls. My apologies, it actually looks like I added about 4 tablespoons of that coconut oil already. So you should add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil to each of the bowls separately. Now we're going to go ahead and add our hydrogenated polyisobutene. This is great for giving your gloss that extra shine and smoothness that you are looking for. Next, we're going to add this delicious smelling cheesecake flavoring oil from Get Suckered. And remember, everything that I use in my videos, I always leave every single item in the description below. So please don't comment and ask where something is from. I promise you it is listed in the description. Now I want you to go ahead and give all of those ingredients a nice thorough mix. So now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon of that coconut oil to each of the bowls because I felt like it was a little too thick and I needed to add 1 more tablespoon of that oil. So now I'm going to add this yellow lip liquid that I got from TKP Trading, but I want you to see how the pigment is separated inside of the bottle. This is why is it extremely important for you to shake your lip liquids before you use them, because a lot of times the colors separate inside of the bottle and you do not want that to be inside of your gloss. So make sure you shake it very, very well. Now you can see the colors are no longer separated and it is now whole. Now you are able to use the lip liquid. So now you're going to repeat those same steps with this pink, yummy pink lip liquid. As you can see, this one is also separated, so make sure you shake this one as well. I'm going to go ahead and mix these beautiful colors in their bowls. And remember, I added that tablespoon of coconut oil, so you need to start off slow so that the oil doesn't splatter everywhere. And then I added one more last tablespoon of that coconut oil to each of the bowls. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. So what we're going to do is take a little bit of the pink and suck it in the syringe, then take a little bit of the yellow and suck that inside of the syringe and go back and forth so that it can give like an ombre effect. Look at how beautiful these colors blend together. It's definitely giving sunrise, sunset. So that's why I named this video that. That's the type of vibes that I'm getting from this beautiful lip gloss. So yes, what are you guys' thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. So here I was actually mixing the two gloss bases because if you saw my other cheesecake video I tried to do with these same two colors, it was a fail to me. I did not like the way those came out. But I was trying to see if I mixed the two colors together and I tried to fill the syringe that way. I wanted to see how the squeeze tube would come out this time, but I feel like it came out the same. But either way, these glosses this time are extremely better than the last ones. These are beautiful. I love the ombre vibe. So yeah, I was just testing out something. So here's the outcome after filling all of the tubes. These glosses are really, really beautiful. I love these two colors together. It's just so beautiful. It reminds me of like you laying down on top of a mountain and just looking at the sunrise. It's just really beautiful, and I hope you guys love this gloss just as much as I do. So here I'm just going to go ahead and add the tops and caps to all of the squeeze tubes here. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and give these glosses a gloss bath to help prevent sticky tubes and provide extra cleanliness to the tubes. For the giveaway portion of the video, I'm now going to go ahead and announce the 3 winners who won the 10K giveaway for me getting 10,000 subscribers. So let's see who the first winner is. Congratulations, Miss Brianna. You are the first winner of the giveaway. I will be DMing you right now on Instagram. Yes, ma'am. Congratulations, Miss Purple Favorite Diva. You are the second winner of the giveaway. Yes, to Miss Study Royal. You are the third winner. Thank you so much for everybody who entered. This is what the 3 winners have won. They won this beautiful glitter eyeshadow palette, some beautiful mink lashes, and 3 designer lip glosses. I'm also throwing in this new watermelon lip scrub that I made, so stay tuned for that YouTube video as well. But don't be discouraged if you do not win, because there will be lots of other giveaways. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.